Hi, this is Sally Terry, and I'm doing the Terry twist on this Hexi quilt. The first thing I did was go around and stabilize the quilt by putting the Terry twist on the seams of all the hexes, and that hexi measures 9 inches across and the sides are 5 inches. I only have to do a design in every other kind of corner of the hexi, and this is the design I came up with. It's free motion and I wanted to duplicate it, so I traced over it. Then I darkened the tracing on the back and then traced really hard over the top so that the dark lead of the pencil went onto cardboard. And now you can see this is my tracing, and I cut it out, so now I can duplicate this around the quilt top. I only need to worry about the outline. Position the design in the same place on each hexi, and when you do that, you end up with this three-sided secondary design element, and you don't have to put anything in the center. It actually fills the center of that hexi. So all I did is trace around it. So here we go. Just don't need to worry about anything except tracing that outer line. Now you're going to see it again. Now this is a camera mounted right on the side of my machine, so there is some vibration, but just notice how all I'm worried about is tracing that blue outline. And there you have it. You can overlap. All those little curls can be different. It doesn't matter. I use the template ruler set, but you can use stencils, and they're available at sallyterry.com.